The creation of the world was a barren and desolate landscape, with vast deserts stretching far and wide. Dotted only by towering rock formations and swirling sand dunes. As time passed, civilizations emerged. And the once empty deserts were transformed into bustling metropolises. Dotted with towering skyscrapers and bustling streets. However, as civilizations declined, the cities were abandoned, left to slowly crumble and decay. The once bustling streets were silent and empty, and the skyscrapers became nothing more than crumbling ruins, overtaken by the elements. With time, the forces of nature took hold, and the deserts once again began to reclaim the land. Weeds and vines grew up the sides of the crumbling buildings, and lush forests sprouted up in the cracks of the pavement, reclaiming the land that had once been their own. The once thriving cities became nothing more than a distant memory, buried beneath the thriving vegetation that now covered the land.